Hi, my name is Jessica Drew, and I use ZBrush every single day. When I was a student way back in the day, and I was really struggling to learn CG art, it was when our teachers introduced ZBrush as a part of our curriculum that everything started to make a lot more sense. Because ZBrush approaches digital art from a traditional sort of point of view, because it's enabling you to behave as a sculptor, but digitally. All of the skills that I had as a traditional sculptor actually translated almost perfectly into ZBrush. And so suddenly I was able to make characters, anatomy, and all of these details that I wasn't able to before quite, not easily, but more, it made more sense. It was more straightforward. I was able to do what I was trying to do. I was able to create and actually be creative. Now I use ZBrush all the time, day to day, at work, and I don't think I would have been able to make it as a CG artist if it hadn't been for ZBrush really empowering the traditional artist side of me.